Hello guys, welcome to this video, and if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate that, and if you are new to my channel, I welcome you to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can make from $1 to $12 per one click, and you can be a complete beginner guys to do this. So stick around until the end of this video and I will show you all the details right here. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches you exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that. Guys, the people who've gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time. So click the first link in the description of this video and let's get into this video. So guys, today we will look at one website which pay you from $1 to $10 per click, and you can be also a completely beginner for this. And as I said at the beginning of this video, and the website is called creativelive.com. So this one is actually like Udemy guys. If you know it, Udemy is an online course that's similar to this, and you can go classes. So they have a lot of categories over here: money and life, entrepreneurship, self-improvement, design, craft maker, music, audio, and there's many different courses here for you and for other peoples to improve themselves, to learn something new. But guys, this video is not about how you can start watching those classes. You can skip that. Basically here you can become an affiliate with this program guys and earn money through this. So you can come here in bottom and just click right here where it is called join us, become an affiliate. So when you click here, you will be redirected to this page where you can sign up right here and start making money. As you can see right here, sales saying that you can make money by connecting audience to great content. Probably you'll have to guys have a website for this, because you can say this thing that you will have to connect your audience. So if you have domain, website or blog, anything like that, if you are building an audience, you can drive traffic to this page and earn money by doing this. So guys, basically if someone come through your link and just sign up and watch those courses online, you will get $1 just for signing guys. So guys, for example, if you come through my link and just sign up and watch those courses to improve yourself, and so I will get $1 for this. So but if you join as an affiliate guys, as I am talking about it right now, I will get $10, and that's the same is with you. If you invite your friends, you just sign up, you will get $1, and if guys they become an affiliate, you will get $10 to do so. So guys, this is really awesome and really easy CPA marketing that they are giving away their money just for you to connect your audience with them. Yeah, that's what the major brands will do: Shopify, PayPal, and how they gonna expand their business. So I believe Udemy also did this, or maybe not, but actually like Udemy, they have a classes really similar to this. And I also believe that they are working with Udemy also. So they want to expand, and that's why they are paying you to invite people. So guys, that's how you can make money. So let's read it right here. Our affiliates and partners serve an audience looking for a creative education and the ability to earn a living from their craft. Idle sites focus on online education, photography, crafting, music, business and training tools. So here's the simple, guys. So guys, actually when you sign up with this, you can watch these classes here. Classes of finance, self-improvement, entrepreneurship, freelancing, marketing, sales, online business. So there are a lot of courses where you can actually improve yourself. And this is really great website to do that. So guys, sign up and start earning with this. And I believe they will approve their sign-ups worldwide, so you can join from anywhere. So just click on the sign up button here and join this and start earning money by driving traffic to this website. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit me thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that. So guys, thank you for watching my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you tomorrow.